Yo, what up? Julián here, Pura Vida. When I used to do gi, I invented that technique. I used to call it baby armbar, and it's from the De La Riva. Let's see if I can explain it. So we're playing De La Riva and controlling a nearby sleeve. I'm trying to go deep De La Riva, so I can either kick his leg or post my leg on the mat, so I can go as deep as possible. I'm lifting my hips, so I'm looking for him to take a back step there. So I can usually go to the back, but I'm gonna switch my grip, so I'm gonna control the far side leg on his pants. Now, I'm gonna throw like a kind of lasso behind his forearm and behind his knee, okay? So he feels that I wanna go to the back, so he's gonna try to face me. When he tries to face me, I'm not letting go of his leg. I'm creating space so I can bring my left shin in front of his shin. From here, I'm always keeping this grip nice and tight, close to my hip, and I'm gonna switch my grips once again. So I'm controlling this sleeve with the left hand, and now as soon as I do this, I have to reach for his pants. So either here or on his belt. Now, I'm doing a type of X-car on his leg. I wanna go flat on my back and bring my knees to my chest. As soon as I'm doing this, I'm gonna kick to the side and bring his arm to my chest. I can either keep his leg or free his leg and go for the regular armbar and finish from here. Let's go back again.